Introduction to Grammar. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to 1. Explain what grammar is and why it is important in communication. 2. Identify the elements of a basic English sentence. 3. Construct simple sentences using correct grammatical structure. What is grammar? Definition. Grammar is the system of a language. It is a set of rules that explain how words are used, formed, and combined to make meaningful sentences. In other words, grammar is the structure and logic of a language. Simple definition. Grammar tells us how to put words together correctly so that others can understand us. Examples. Correct sentence. She plays the guitar. Incorrect sentence. Plays she guitar. The first sentence follows the grammatical order, subject plus verb plus object. The second sentence breaks the rule, so it sounds wrong or confusing. Why grammar is important. 1. Clarity. Helps you express ideas clearly and precisely. E.g., I am eating now is not equal to I eat now. 2. Accuracy. Makes your writing and speech correct and professional. 3. Understanding. Helps you understand others better, reading or listening. 4. Confidence. Knowing grammar gives you confidence to use English freely. Grammar as a communication tool. Grammar is not only about memorizing rules, it's about making meaning. It helps us know how words work together to communicate ideas. Example. She is reading a book. The sentence shows who she, what action is reading, and what object a book. Basic sentence structure. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Every English sentence needs at least a subject, S, and a verb, V. Additional elements like object, O, complement, C, and adverbial, A, make it richer and more detailed. The basic pattern, S plus V plus O plus C plus A. Element, S, subject, meaning or function. The doer or topic of the sentence, a noun or pronoun. Example. She, my father, the students. Element, V, verb, meaning or function. The action or state of being. Example. Reads is runs, study. Element, O, object, meaning or function. The receiver of the action. Example. A book, English, music. Element, C, complement, meaning or function. Gives more information about the subject or object. Example. Is tired, looks beautiful. Element, A, adverbial, meaning or function. Tells when, where, or how something happens. Example. In the park, every morning, carefully. Subject, S. Usually a noun or pronoun. Answers the question who or what. Examples. My mother cooks dinner. My mother equals subject. They are students. They equals subject. Verb, V. Shows action or state. Without a verb, a sentence is incomplete. Examples. He plays football. She is a teacher. Object, O. Receives the action of the verb. Usually a noun or pronoun. Examples. She reads a book. He loves his dog. Complement, C. Describes or completes the meaning of the subject or object. Usually comes after linking verbs be, look, seem, feel, become, etc. Examples. She is a teacher. The soup tastes delicious. He looks happy. Adverbial, A. Gives extra information about time, place, manner, reason, or frequency. Examples. She studies at night. Time. They play football in the park. Place. He drives carefully. Manner. Sentence structure patterns. Pattern. S plus V. Example. Birds fly. Notes. Simple action, no object. Pattern. S plus V plus O. Example. She reads books. Notes. Basic transitive verb. Pattern. S plus V plus C. Example. The sky is blue. Notes. Linking verb plus complement. Pattern. S plus V plus A. Example. He works at school. Notes. Adds time / place info. Pattern. S plus V plus O plus C. Example. They make me happy. Notes. Object plus complement. Pattern. S plus V plus O plus A. Example. She put the book on the table. Notes. Object plus adverbial. Examples and analysis. Sentence. My brother plays guitar. Subject. My brother. Verb. Plays. Object. Guitar. Complement none. Adverbial none. Sentence. The students are tired. Subject. The students. Verb. Are. Object. None. Complement. Tired. Adverbial. None. Sentence. She put the book on the table. Subject. She. Verb. Put. Object. The book. Complement none. Adverbial. On the table. Sentence. He works in a bank. Subject. He. Verb. Works. Object. None. Complement none. Adverbial in a bank. Sentence. They made me angry. Subject. They. Verb. Made. Object. Me. Complement. Angry. Adverbial. None. Summary. Grammar is the system of rules that helps us form correct and meaningful sentences. Every sentence needs at least a subject, S, and verb, V. Other elements, object, complement, adverbial, make the sentence complete and informative. Understanding sentence structure is the foundation of mastering grammar.